What if the secret to building muscle, burning fat, and balancing your hormones isn't in the gym, but in your bed? 1 week of poor sleep can slash testosterone, spike hunger hormones, and wreck recovery. Sleep isn't rest. It's your body's most powerful performance enhancer. In this video, we'll uncover how sleep repairs muscles, fuels fat loss, and keeps your hormones in balance. You'll see the science of what happens inside your body each night and what goes wrong when sleep is cut short. By the end, you'll understand why sleep isn't optional for strength, leanness, or health. It's the foundation. Number 1, what sleep actually does. Sleep is not just closing your eyes and resting. It is a powerful tool your body uses every night to heal and grow. Think of it like a repair shop that only opens when you are asleep. Inside this shop, your body is fixing muscles, cleaning waste from the brain, and preparing you for the next day. One of the most important parts of sleep is called slow-wave sleep. This is the deepest stage of sleep where your body does the heavy work of repair. During this stage, your breathing slows, your heart rate goes down, and your body focuses on healing. It is almost like your body is saying, now is the time to fix everything. During slow-wave sleep, a special chemical called growth hormone is released. Growth hormone is like the manager of the repair shop. It tells your muscles to rebuild stronger after a workout. It also helps burn fat and keeps your bones healthy. Without enough slow-wave sleep, your body does not get this powerful boost. Let's imagine two people. Both go to the gym and train hard. The first person sleeps 8 hours each night. The second person only sleeps 4 hours. After a week, the first person feels stronger, has more energy, and recovers faster. The second person feels tired, sore, and sees no real progress. The difference is not the workout. The difference is the time spent sleeping. Sleep may look quiet on the outside, but on the inside it is the most active and important time for your body's growth and repair. Number 2, muscle repair. When you exercise, tiny tears form in your muscles. This might sound bad, but it is actually how your muscles grow. Your body fixes these small tears by building new muscle fibers, making them stronger and bigger. This process is called muscle protein synthesis, or MPS. Most of this work happens at night while you are sleeping. Your body uses the quiet hours of sleep to repair and rebuild, turning your workout into real results. If you do not get enough sleep, this repair process does not work as well. Studies show that when sleep is cut short, muscle protein synthesis drops. Instead of building new fibers, your body starts to break down more protein than it creates. This means your muscles recover slower, and you may even lose strength over time. Imagine trying to build a house while workers keep knocking down the walls. That is what poor sleep does to your muscles. There is also a way to make this process even stronger. Eating protein before bed gives your body the building blocks it needs while you sleep. Foods rich in casein protein, like milk or cottage cheese, are especially helpful. A serving of 20 to 40 grams before sleep has been shown to increase muscle repair through the night. This means your body can keep working even while you are dreaming. Think of it like this. One person trains hard but goes to bed without eating protein. Another person trains the same way but drinks a casein shake before bed. By morning, the second person's muscles have more fuel to repair and grow. The first person's muscles are still waiting for what they need. The difference is simple, but the results can be huge. Number 3, hormones. Hormones are the body's messengers. They tell your muscles when to grow, your body when to store fat, and your brain when to rest. Sleep has a huge effect on these messengers. When you sleep well, your hormones stay balanced. When you lose sleep, everything gets out of balance and your body pays the price. One of the most important hormones for growth is testosterone. It helps muscles recover, gives energy, and supports strength. Studies show that even 1 week of short sleep, like 5 hours a night, can lower testosterone by 10 to 15%. That drop makes it harder to build muscle, and it can leave you feeling weak and tired. Missing sleep for just a few nights can undo the hard work you put in at the gym. Another hormone affected by sleep is cortisol. Cortisol is called the stress hormone. A little cortisol is normal, but too much makes it harder for your body to repair itself. Poor sleep causes cortisol levels to rise, which puts your body in a state of stress. This stress tells your body to hold on to fat and break down muscle instead of building it. High cortisol over time can stop progress and harm your health. There is also a twist. Some studies show that if you do not sleep and then exercise, your body may release a large spike of growth hormone. At first, this sounds good. Growth hormone helps repair tissue and burn fat. But the spike is short and does not make up for all the harm poor sleep causes. In the long run, skipping sleep hurts recovery, weakens your muscles, and slows fat loss. True growth happens with steady sleep, not quick fixes. Number 4, fat burning and metabolism. Sleep does more than help your muscles recover. It also controls how your body uses and stores energy. When you get enough sleep, your body knows when you are full, how much energy to burn, and when to save fat. But when sleep is cut short, these signals get mixed up, and your body starts working against you. 2 key hormones that control hunger are leptin and ghrelin. Leptin tells your brain that you are full, while ghrelin tells your brain that you are hungry. When you lose sleep, leptin goes down and ghrelin goes up. That means you feel hungrier, even if your body does not need more food. This is why people who are tired often reach for snacks, sweets, and extra meals. Your brain is tricked into thinking you need more fuel. Sleep also changes how your body handles sugar. With good sleep, your cells are sensitive to insulin, which helps move sugar from your blood into your muscles for energy. But poor sleep makes your cells less sensitive, a problem called insulin resistance. When this happens, sugar stays in your blood, your body stores more fat, and it becomes harder to lose weight. Over time, this can lead to health problems like obesity or diabetes. Think about it like this. One person sleeps 8 hours and wakes up with balanced hunger signals and steady energy. Another person sleeps only 4 hours and wakes up craving junk food, with a body that holds on to fat instead of burning it. The difference is not willpower, it is sleep. If you want your body to burn fat and stay lean, sleeping well is just as important as eating right or exercising. Number 5, myths. There are many ideas about sleep and fitness that sound true but are not. These myths can confuse people and even slow down progress. Let's clear up 2 of the biggest ones. The first myth is that more sleep always means more gains. Yes, sleep is important, and most people need around 7 to 9 hours each night. But sleeping much longer, like 11 or 12 hours, does not mean your muscles will grow twice as fast. In fact, too much sleep can leave you feeling groggy and unmotivated. Quality matters more than quantity. Deep, restful sleep helps your body repair and grow, not simply the number of hours you lie in bed. The second myth is that naps can replace a full night of sleep. A short nap can give you a burst of energy or improve focus for a little while. But naps do not give your body the same long, deep stages of sleep that happen at night. Without full sleep cycles, your body misses the time when hormones are released and muscles are repaired. Naps are helpful, but they are not a true substitute for regular, nightly rest. So remember this. Sleep is powerful, but it is not magic. You cannot skip nights and make up for it with naps. You also cannot expect endless gains by sleeping half the day. What your body needs most is steady, high-quality sleep every night. That is the real key to growth, recovery, and energy. Number 6, 7 evidence-based protocols. If you want better sleep and stronger recovery, there are some proven steps you can follow. These are not just guesses, but tips backed by science. Doing them every day will help your body rest, repair, and grow. First, aim to sleep 7 to 9 hours every night. This gives your body enough time to go through all the stages of sleep. Next, focus on deep sleep. Keep your room dark, cool, and quiet, and avoid using screens like phones or TVs before bed. This helps your brain relax and makes it easier to fall asleep. Eating the right foods also matters. Having 20 to 40 grams of casein protein, like cottage cheese or a shake, before bed helps your muscles repair while you sleep. Timing your workouts is another smart move. Training in the evening, followed by protein, often supports better recovery. But be careful with caffeine and alcohol. Drinking coffee late in the day or having alcohol at night can disturb your sleep and stop your body from reaching deep rest. Instead, choose water or calming herbal tea. Tracking your sleep is also helpful. You can use a simple sleep diary or a wearable device to see patterns in your rest. This lets you notice what helps you sleep well and what makes it harder. Finally, try the 7-night experiment challenge. For 1 week, follow these steps closely. Get enough hours, avoid screens, eat protein, and cut out late caffeine. At the end of the week, check how you feel. Most people notice more energy, better focus, and faster recovery. These small habits may seem simple, but together they build a strong foundation for health, growth, and performance. Number 7, scientific caveats. When it comes to science, not every study says the same thing. Some research shows one result, while other research shows something different. For example, a few short-term studies found that missing a little sleep might cause small spikes in growth hormone or make people burn a few extra calories. But when scientists look at long-term studies, the story is very different. Over weeks or months, not getting enough sleep leads to more stress, weaker recovery, and even weight gain. This can be confusing, but it is normal in science. One study may focus on a small group of people or test only for a few days, while another looks at larger groups for longer times. That is why we cannot trust a single study to give the whole truth. Instead, experts look at the balance of evidence, which means checking many studies together to see the bigger picture. And the bigger picture is clear. Getting enough quality sleep is essential. Even if some studies show a tiny short-term benefit of poor sleep, the long-term risks are much greater. Poor sleep hurts muscle repair, lowers hormone balance, raises hunger, and slows recovery. On the other hand, good sleep supports strong health, better performance, and steady progress. So the final message is simple. Don't get lost in small details or short-term effects. Trust the bigger body of science. Sleep is not optional. It is one of the most powerful tools for athletes and for anyone who wants a healthy, strong body. Your muscles, your hormones, and even your fat loss all depend on one secret weapon: sleep. If you're serious about gains and real health, stop treating sleep like an afterthought. Start tonight, build your sleep like you build your workouts. And if you're ready for more science-backed strategies, hit that subscribe button and join us on the journey to a stronger you. See ya!